Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the freeze repeat text effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, write down the lyrics. Now let's add some animations. For the first three texts I will be using basic transitions from Filmora. Warp, Zoom 6, Wind and Turn transition respectively. Now we can add a keyframe to the third text and then a few layers later, reduce the opacity to 0. Now we are going to set the to the right 2 and to the left 2 animations to the next 4 texts. Make the word pane bigger and go to Advanced. Remove text fill and select text border. Make sure the color is white and the thickness is 1. For the next text we are going to use the string blur animation. Go to Advanced and adjust it right. Now put the second text above the first one when it's repeated in the song. Go to Advanced and make the same thing as before. Now copy it, lock the other layers, and paste it above the second one. You can also make them bigger than the first one, just use your creativity here. Now we are going to do the same with the word believer, but we will add 2 more texts, to look more cool. Now let's add some cool glitch transitions. I got mine from Elements Envato, link in the description. Drag them above the text effects we did on both sides, change the blending mode to screen, and we good to go. Export the video. Choose a nice background, I got mine from Envato. Add the exported lyrics. Mute it, and now we can add a new effect from Filmora 11 to the lyrics. It's called Remove Black BG. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.